Right, just a quick little update. New house. A lot better than the old one. Anyway, you never seen this the last time, but I also like my alarms. Just moved into a new house. No cameras up at the minute, but they will be going in. Anyway, I also had this, which is a Texacom Premier 48 control panel, but I never installed it due to moving house. But since I bought this last year, Texacom updated their alarms. They upgraded them to what's known as the Elite range. Texacom Premier Elite. This is just the Texacom Premier 48. But as I don't like to have old equipment, I treated myself to this. This is the Texacom Premier Elite 88. Latest firmware on board. Also have I have everything I need for this system. I was playing with the 48 the other day. I was going to install the 48, but I decided no, let's have a new panel. Let's have the current range. And that's just arrived this morning. Have a load of sensors, etc. in that box there. But I also bought a couple of new Twin Alert internal sounders. That's a speaker and a siren. I've also got an optical heat smoke alarm fire detector, and we also have this. Now what this little gadget does, which I will show you, is connects to the alarm panel, which enables the panel to be connected to the internal internet network. So it's on the internal network, and yes, you guessed it, it also gives the panel access to the internet. So we'll do a couple of videos just on the Texacom system. I have had the alarm installer out, not to install my panels of course, but to simply run the cable, and he completed that job the other day. He's put cables all over the house for me, made a tidy job, and I'll show you the cable run later. But yes, I just wanted to make a quick video. So it's bye Texacom Premier 48, and it is hello Texacom Premier Elite 88. Of course I have Wintex. If you don't know what Wintex is, I will explain that in a video later on, because these panels connect by USB to your PC for programming. They also, as I've just explained, connect to the internal network by that device there, which also means the panel can then be put on the internet. So I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.